Hi students, good morning everyone. Hope that all of you are keeping well. Please, I hope that all of you had already wrote the first poem, read already the first poem and hope that you also copied the word meaning and question answers. Please everyone study the unit 1 good morning poem, word meaning and question answer. Now we are going to see the second chapter, page number 4. Page number 4. The second chapter is the magic garden. The magic garden. Okay, please everyone read with me. Okay, Marigold English, page number 4. Okay, the magic garden. Magic means in Hindi jadoo. In Hindi means jadoo. Then garden. What is garden? In garden we can see so many types of plants where grow so many types of plants, and these plants have so many types of flowers. There will in the plants there will be so many types of flowers. Then in the garden we can see so many types of plants and so many types of flowers. For example, roses we can see, sunflower we can see, like that so many types of flowers we can see. You see the this chapter, the page of this unit. You can see there are so many types of flowers. Please look the garden. This is a garden, means there are so many types of plants and flowers. Okay, please, I will read. You can also follow with me. The magic garden was in a school playground. The magic garden, the Jadoo garden was in a school playground. This magic garden was in where it is? In a school playground. Playground means where the students play. No, the ground we use for to play. Okay. Then it was very pretty. Pretty means this garden is very beautiful. Pretty. You see the word pretty? Pretty, Pretty. Pretty means very beautiful. How to pronounce this word? Pretty. Pretty. Okay. Then sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. Means there are sunflower and roses is very tall plants. Very tall, and they stand high against the wall. Means they are very tall, and we can see the other side of the wall the plants. Means the flower we can see the other side, means it is very small. Okay, there were, means in the garden also, what are the other flowers in the garden? Also marigold, poppies and pansies. Means there are other type. We said already there are sunflowers and roses, but there were also marigold. This also poppies and pansies. Means these are other types of flowers. Okay, the name of the flowers. The next one, the sunshine fell on this. The sunshine fell on this garden. The light of the sun will do will when the sun will come, the this garden will, we can see the light of the sun. Light of the sun we can see. Then more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. Means when the sunshine, when the light of the sun will on this garden, what happened on any other and the flowers done, means they like the light of the sun. When the sun will come, they are very happy. They sing and danced and sang happily. They said to one another, they talk each other. They said to one another, we have hundreds of little gardeners. Means we have the flowers will talk each other, and they will say we have hundreds means 100 number, 100 of little gardeners. Gardeners means those who are working in the garden, those who work in the garden. Okay, then this plants, flowers will talk that we have so many gardeners, we have so many workers in the garden. They were the children from the school. Okay, we already said the garden is where in the playground of the school. Then in this playground, in this garden, their children will come and they take care of the flowers. They will take care of the flowers. Okay, one sunny morning means one light day, one nice day, beautiful day. One sunny means when there is sun, no, very beautiful the day. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. Who came in the garden? Birds. Birds came in the garden, and birds and flowers were talking each other. They are speaking each other. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. Okay, there is a flower called poppies. Poppy. This poppy flower said that I love all the children. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones, means small children. Poppy like little children. Most she like this poppy like little children. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. Means Poppy like the little children. I like them. She like Poppy like the children because they bring means they put the water can. They bring the water cans and put the water, and they put the water in my thirsty roots. Thirsty means when we will drink the water, when we feel the thirsty, means we need to drink the water because we feel thirsty. Thirsty means pyasa, Hindi. Okay, when we feel thirsty, we'll drink the water. Like that, these children bring the water and put in the roots, means the downside of the plants, that is called root. Where we should put the water in the plants, where we should put an upside? No, we should put the root side. Root side means down, this side. Okay, downside we should put the water. Okay, the next line. We love the little. No, sorry. Let us go to the downside. Downside, there is two more lines. Yes, said the marigold. The boys are good to us too. Okay, the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. Okay, Poppy said, I love the little children because they bring water and they put on the roots side. Then Marigold say, the boys are very good. The boys are very good because they dig the ground so well. Dig means they clean the ground side, to grow very nicely, very good. We should dig. We should clean the ground side, that is called dig. They dig the ground so well, very clean, very. They will do the ground very downside of the plants. They dig very nicely. Dig means remove the move the earth, means from the sand we should move, then only the plant will grow clearly. Okay. Okay, the next line. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. Okay, then we said already a bird also came in this garden. Then the bird and the flowers were talking each other. Okay, then the bird, what she said? She said, we love the little children, the small little children. We also like, bird also like. A tiny bird said. Tiny means small bird. Tiny means small bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Okay, this bird is saying that this bird is saying that they are very kind, means they are very good students because they bring bread for us, means they gave the food for the birds also, something of the food they bring. Okay, all the flowers said we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty. Means all the flowers, they said we must work hard to make our dresses. What are the dresses of the flower plants? Means good flower, we should give the nice flowers. Our dresses means they are flowers only, very pretty. We should make our flowers very pretty, means very beautiful. For the children will be here soon. Now the children will come here soon. Soon means fast, jaldi. The sun said, sun means sun said, the Suraj said, I will help you also. I also help you. For nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Because the sun said, I will also help you, because sun like the children running in the golden sunshine. Because he sun saw from the upside, from where is the sun? In the sky. From the sky he saw that the children of this school, they are coming this garden and they do all this work, and after they run here. Then the sun like that the children run here. Okay, suddenly means fastly, the children came out. The children came out laughing and singing. They sing also and laugh also, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Okay, then the flowers were singing before. When the children came, they stopped their sing because they want to listen. Listen means they want to sunna, listen, sunle to the children. They want to hear the children. Oh, look at the tall sunflower. The sunflower is very tall, very high. Then sunflower is saying, oh, look, said one child. One child said, oh, this sunflower is very tall. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Okay, when the one child was saying, oh, this sunflower is very tall, sunflower feel very happy, very proudly, very happy. Another child said, दूसरा child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. Okay, the color of the marigold is gold color. Golden means golden color. One child said, oh, look this sunflower, it is very high. Another said, I love the marigold because the color of the marigold, golden dress, means the color of the flower. The marigold smiled happily. Then marigold very happy. Okay, marigold also very happy. Okay, the next page. It was indeed a magic garden. And this garden is a magic garden, means a jadoo garden. Because why it is magic, a jadoo garden? It had fairies too. Fairies means like angel. Look this flower, this picture. This is to like angel, means like this girls are wearing the, look how they are not standing, they are like flying, no, they have the wings. These are the wings, means they are like an angel, not a human person, like a human person, but they are angels, means they have the dresses like flowers. You look at this, very beautiful. They are called fairies. Then this magic garden, there is also fairies too. They danced and sang. Sang means sing sweet songs which only the children could hear. Okay. Then they also sing in the garden. Then who can hear this song? Only the children can hear. Okay. After a time, the fairies came out. dancing and talk with the children. Okay, they are also fairies also in the garden. After some times they are talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers. Their dresses are flowers and their wings of sunshine. Okay, their wings is very lightning. Wings means this one and this one. Okay, these are very sunshine. Okay, then the magic garden was quiet. Quiet means very silent. That night means that night the magic garden was very silent. The flowers and birds were asleep. They are asleep and dreaming the next day. The dreaming means sapna. They dreaming the next day when the children would come again. Would come again means they are waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow the children will come. Means when they come to the school, they will come to the school only the day. Then the day will come. Then evening they will go to home like that. Evening that day they all went home. Then tomorrow the flowers and birds were expecting the children. Tomorrow they will come. They are dreaming. That night they are dreaming means they sapne dekha. Tomorrow the children will come to the school again. Then they will come here in this garden. Okay. Once more I will repeat the reading. Okay. The magic garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. Yes, said the marigolds. The boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Please, everyone, read this chapter at least 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times, okay? Then only you can read English nicely, okay? Now, I will write the word meaning and question answer. You can copy this, okay? Please, everyone, read, okay? Please take your English fair copy. Hope that all of you had already wrote the first poem Good Morning word meaning and question answers. Now you can take the next page of the English fair copy and write the title The Magic Garden. Okay, this is the title of the chapter. Okay, then you write word meaning. Okay, word meaning. Okay, first word pretty. Pretty. Pretty means very beautiful. Beautiful spelling Beautiful. Very beautiful. Second word is dig. Dig. Dig means move the earth with a tool. Move the earth with a tool. Okay. Then third word. Tiny. Tiny. Tiny means small. Small. Okay. You see that? Okay. Then next fourth one. Garden. What is the meaning of garden? The place where grow different types of plants. Okay, the place where grow different spelling DIFFERENT different types of plants. Next word sunshine, the light of the sun. Meaning of the sunshine is the light of the sun. Next word golden, color of gold. Golden, color of gold. COLOUR, color of gold. Next one, gardeners. 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 Gardeners means those who are working garden. The person who are working in garden, they are called gardeners. Okay, dreaming to see in sleep means sapna dekha. No, dreaming means sapna dekha. Dreaming to see in sleep. Please, everyone, take the textbook page number 7. You can see there are 4 questions. Okay, 4 questions. We can write. Okay, after the word meaning, you write question answers. You see from top question QUESTION, question answers, then underline. Okay, then write the first question. Why did the flowers love the little children? Do you see the first question? Textbook also, page number 7 is the first question. Why did the flowers love the little children? Then question mark after. Then the answer, the flowers love the little children because they take care of the flowers. The flowers love the little children because they take care of the flowers. Okay. The second question. Why did the birds love the children? Why the birds, why they love the children? Answer. Because the children bring food for birds. Because the children bring food for birds. Okay, second one. Now, the third question. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. What are the 5 flowers in the magic garden grow? Okay, there are sunflowers, roses, marigold, poppies and pansies. These are the 5: sunflower, roses, marigold, poppies and pansies. Okay, the fourth one. What sound could the children hear in the garden? The sound, what sound the children hear? The sound of sweet songs and dance. The sound of they hear the sweet songs and dance of fairies and flowers. Okay, fourth answer, the sound of sweet songs and dance of fairies means angels, sweet sound and songs, and flowers also. The children hear the sound of sweet songs of fairies and flowers. Okay, students, these are the 4 questions. Please everyone now copy this question answer and word meaning. Read all everybody the chapter and study this 4 question answer. Okay, read the chapter, don't forget, read the chapter and study these question answers. Okay, thank you students.